Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can lock your house to prevent intruders from coming in. So it won't work if your house is like open space. I'm not actually quite sure, but as you can see, she cannot go into my house because it's locked. So you can either unlock it from the front of your house or you can do it manually here. Um, well, obviously you're going to want to lock it. You can also lock the intruder in so they cannot really come out of your house, but I will unlock it for her and then go away and then lock it and then she cannot enter the house. Um, so yeah, you can that I think only locks the front door. If you want to lock everything, make sure you select the lock on your like I don't know what this is called place. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!